Hello, travelers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most luxurious accommodations and best destinations around the globe. Are you planning a trip to the USA and are curious about where to stay? Well, we got you covered. Because in this video, we will dive into the world of luxury hotels in the United States of America. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a virtual tour of the top luxury hotels in the USA. But before anything else, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell button to be updated whenever we upload new videos. Let's get started. Our first stop on this extravagant journey takes us to the glamorous city that never sleeps, New York City. Welcome to the Plaza Hotel, an iconic landmark of timeless elegance and legendary service. Nestled at the crossroads of Fifth Avenue and Central Park South, the Plaza Hotel boasts an unmatched prime location and exclusive shopping destinations at your doorstep. It's a haven for luxury travelers. Stepping inside, you'll enter a world of architectural beauty inspired by French Renaissance style. Every corner exudes sophistication, from meticulously crafted detailing to lavish furnishings. At the Plaza Hotel, timeless elegance, impeccable service, and luxurious amenities intertwine, setting the standard for an unparalleled experience. Whether you seek a remarkable stay, a culinary adventure, or a rejuvenating escape, the Plaza Hotel invites you to embrace luxury in the heart of New York City. Moving west to the City of Dreams, Los Angeles, we find the Beverly Hills Hotel. Known as the Pink Palace, this historic hotel has played host to countless Hollywood stars. From its iconic pink exterior to its lush tropical gardens, this oasis is the epitome of old Hollywood glamour. Heading to the enchanting city of San Francisco, we stumble upon the Ritz-Carlton. Perched atop Nob Hill, this hotel offers panoramic views of the city's iconic landmarks. With its sophisticated decor and impeccable service, the Ritz-Carlton is a haven of luxury that provides an unforgettable experience for its guests. Next on our list is the mesmerizing The Breakers in Palm Beach, Florida. This oceanfront paradise exudes old-world charm and offers an unrivaled level of luxury. With its Mediterranean-style architecture, lush gardens, and private beach, The Breakers is a haven of relaxation and indulgence. Finally, we reach the Venetian in Las Vegas, Nevada. This lavish resort brings the allure of Venice to the desert, featuring stunning replicas of iconic Venetian landmarks. With its spacious suites, class entertainment, and an array of gourmet dining options, the Venetian provides an unforgettable experience for visitors seeking the ultimate in luxury and entertainment. And there you have it. Our journey through the top 5 five-star hotels in the USA comes to an end. Which one would you choose for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, safe travels.